Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Edith. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 products that you can promote as a beginner in affiliate marketing without a website, without an audience, without a YouTube channel, without nothing. You are going to sign up to these 3 products and start earning money as an affiliate. So the first one I am going to recommend is GetResponse. What is GetResponse? GetResponse is an email marketing tool which you create an email list from there, build a sales funnel, also gives you the ability to host webinars there in their platform. So what you are going to do if you want to sign up, so GetResponse as a beginner, you go to medium.com and sign in with your login and sign up with your email address. They are going to Medium is going to give you a URL. That URL they are going to give you immediately sign up. They are going to give you a URL. So you use that URL and go to GetResponse affiliate dashboard. Go to GetResponse affiliate form and start filling it. Then when it comes to website, they are going to demand for website. When they demand for website, you put that Medium URL there in the website section and you are good to go. They are going to approve you instantly and you will start promoting their product. Then the second product I am going to recommend is Fiverr. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is a marketplace where people sell their services online. So what you are going to do is Fiverr affiliate tool is very easy to promote. What they basically want is just for you to sign up, then put your email address, your username, finish. They don't even require anything, any method, or bring your website. They don't even talk about bringing website. It's just for you to put your email address, your password, finish. Or you can even register with Google. I registered through my Google, so I did not pass through any stress at all when registering for Fiverr affiliate. So Fiverr affiliate is one of the best products you can promote as an affiliate. So what they want you to do as an affiliate in Fiverr is for you to promote their services. Since they have different services in Fiverr, what they want you to do is to tell people about their marketplace. For example, if you are looking for someone that will develop a website, if someone is looking for where to hire a website developer, you tell the person that Fiverr is a great platform where you can see developers that are very professional, and also if you need intermediate developers, so they are there. Any level of developers you want is there. You refer the person to Fiverr and Fiverr is going to pay you if the person actually purchases any service in Fiverr. So basically that is how Fiverr products work. If you want to become an affiliate in Fiverr, there is a link in the description box down below. Click on it and fill up the form. It is very easy. It's very easy for you to become a Fiverr affiliate. And I have a video on how you are going to promote Fiverr products. So it is also in the link in the description down below. Go and check it out and watch so that you know how to promote Fiverr too as well to make money. Then the third platform I am going to share is called Uplift. And what is Uplift? Uplift is an Instagram growing website. So what Uplift basically do is just, if you want to grow your Instagram account, you go to them and they pay like $3. They have a platform, they have $3, $9, and rest of it. So you just go there. To sign up as an affiliate is very easy. You just go to Uplift, you go to the affiliate page, you sign up as an affiliate and start promoting their service. So what they are doing, as I explained before, they grow people's Instagram accounts for them with just $9, $3, $4, depending on how many followers you want to get. So if somebody is looking for how to grow their followers, you can recommend that Uplift to the person. Once the person clicks on your link and purchases their service, you are going to definitely get a recurring commission from Uplift too as well. So Uplift is one of the best ways how you can promote their product. So I am going to give you a bonus tip. Another service I am going to recommend that you join to promote is System.io. So what is System.io? System.io is a platform whereby it just is similar to GetResponse. It's an email marketing software too. They have sales funnel where you can create your sales funnel, create landing page, build an email list, and do much more. So it is very easy for you to sign up, and once you sign up, they are going to get a recurring revenue. What is recurring revenue? Means if someone uses your referral link to sign up to system.io, you are definitely going to get a commission. And as far as the person keeps buying the service every month, you are going to keep getting a revenue. If you want to become an affiliate, there's a link in the description box down below. Click on it and fill up the form. It is very easy. So that is a good product for you as a beginner to promote. I just signed up to all of this, and that is why I know, and that is why I'm talking to you about it, because I just signed up to those products as I am a beginner too as well in affiliate marketing. So I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think about it on comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I love you guys, and bye for now.